Hey guys, welcome to the Element Pack Pro widget tutorial. In this video, we will show you the live copy-paste feature and how you can take advantage of it easily in WordPress. Let's start. First, you can enable the live copy-paste feature to use it. From your WordPress dashboard, you can access the Element Pack Pro plugin dashboard and enable the widgets and extensions from the specific tabs there. To fully utilize the live copy-paste feature, you can choose to activate all the widgets and extensions simultaneously. No worries about the site performance. Element Pack got that. Alternatively, you can just enable the widget or extension that you want to copy from the demo. The live copy-paste feature you can find within the Other Settings tab. You can turn it on and save settings. After that, you can ensure that the container is enabled for the Elementor site builder. To check that, you can navigate the Settings tab under the Elementor dashboard and scroll into the Features tab. If the container is not active, you can activate it and save changes. All set, you can open any page with Elementor Editor to begin now. Now, to use live copy-paste, you will need ready designs that can be imported that way. And for your information, you will find 2,700 plus ready templates on the Element Pack official website. That means you will find a good number of ready designs to copy-paste. Now, after you have chosen and opened a template here, you can find a live copy button on every section you see, because the live copy function is enabled for these templates. After clicking the Live Copy button, you may return to your page editor, right-click on the container creation box, choose Paste from other site options, and then follow the on-screen keyboard hotkeys to paste the copied design. And see it happening? Yes, that fast. Remember that don't paste in a new container or section, paste only inside the editor box. And just like that, you can import as many designs and sections using the Live Copy-Paste feature. Hope now you can take full advantage of Element Pack for your website. That's all for now. I hope this video helped. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.